Question 1. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? A. Ashoka. B. Bindusara. C. Chandragupta Maurya. D. Bimbisara. The correct answer is C. Chandragupta Maurya. Question 2. The Harappan civilization is also known as A. Mesopotamian civilization. B. Indus Valley civilization. C. Vedic civilization. D. Persian civilization. The correct answer is B. Indus Valley civilization. Question 3. Who introduced the policy of subsidiary alliance in India? A. Lord Dalhousie. B. Lord Wellesley. C. Lord Curzon. D. Lord Hastings. The correct answer is B. Lord Wellesley. Question 4. The famous Battle of Talikota, 1565, led to the downfall of which empire? A. Mughal Empire. B. Bahmani Sultanate. C. Vijayanagar Empire. D. Maratha Empire. The correct answer is C. Vijayanagar Empire. Question 5. Which Veda primarily deals with rituals and sacrifices? A. Rig Veda. B. Samaveda. C. Yajurveda. D. Atharvaveda. The correct answer is C. Yajurveda. Question 6. Who was the first Governor-General of independent India? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. C. Rajgopalachari. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is A. Lord Mountbatten. Question 7. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? A. Kosi. B. Ganga. C. Son. D. Gandak. The correct answer is A. Kosi. Question 8. Which plateau is located in Maharashtra? A. Chota Nagpur Plateau. B. Deccan Plateau. C. Malwa Plateau. D. Bundelkhand Plateau. The correct answer is B. Deccan Plateau. Question 9. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. The correct answer is C. 8. Question 10. Which port is the largest major port in Maharashtra? A. Nhava Sheva, JNPT. B. Mumbai Port. C. Ratnagiri Port. D. Jaigarh Port. The correct answer is A. Nhava Sheva, JNPT. Question 11. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to equality? A. Article 14. B. Article 19. C. Article 21. D. Article 32. The correct answer is A. Article 14. Question 12. The President of India is elected by A. Direct election by citizens. B. Members of Parliament only. C. Electoral College of elected MPs and MLAs. D. Council of Ministers. The correct answer is C. Electoral College of elected MPs and MLAs. Question 13. Which constitutional body conducts elections in India? A. Union Public Service Commission. B. Election Commission of India. C. Finance Commission. D. Planning Commission. The correct answer is B. Election Commission of India. Question 14. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha? A. 4th Schedule. B. 5th Schedule. C. 6th Schedule. D. 7th Schedule. The correct answer is A. 4th Schedule. Question 15. Which part of the Constitution deals with directive principles of state policy? A. Part 3. B. Part 4. C. Part V. D. Part 6. The correct answer is B. Part 4. Question 16. GDP measures A. Total wealth of a country. B. Total production within a country. C. Total exports of a country. D. Total government revenue. The correct answer is B. Total production within a country. Question 17. Which institution regulates monetary policy in India? A. SBI. B. Ministry of Finance. C. Reserve Bank of India. D. Niti Aayog. The correct answer is C. Reserve Bank of India. Question 18. What does fiscal deficit indicate? A. Excess of revenue over expenditure. B. Excess of expenditure over revenue. C. Difference between exports and imports. D. Total public debt. The correct answer is B. Excess of expenditure over revenue. Question 19. Which scheme aims at providing health insurance coverage to poor families? A. PM Kisan. B. Ayushman Bharat. C. PM Awas Yojana. D. Ujjwala Yojana. The correct answer is B. Ayushman Bharat. Question 20. Which tax replaced multiple indirect taxes under GST? A. Income tax. B. Service tax. C. Customs duty. D. Property tax. The correct answer is B. Service tax. Question 21. Which gas is mainly responsible for global warming? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. The correct answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Question 22. The unit of electrical resistance is A. Volt. B. Ampere. C. Ohm. D. Watt. The correct answer is C. Ohm. Question 23. DNA stands for A. Deoxyribonucleic acid. B. Dinitrogen acid. C. Dynamic nuclear acid. D. Deoxynitric acid. The correct answer is A. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Question 24. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B12. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is A. Vitamin A. Question 25. ISRO is headquartered at A. Hyderabad. B. Bangalore. C. Chennai. D. Thiruvananthapuram. The correct answer is B. Bangalore. Question 26. Who established the Maratha Empire? A. Balaji Vishwanath. B. Sambhaji Maharaj. C. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. D. Rajaram Maharaj. The correct answer is C. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Question 27. Raigad Fort was the capital of which ruler? A. Shahu Maharaj. B. Sambhaji Maharaj. C. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. D. Baji Rao I. The correct answer is C. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Question 28. Which river is the longest in Maharashtra? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Bhima. D. Tapi. The correct answer is A. Godavari. Question 29. Which district in Maharashtra has the highest population? A. Pune. B. Nagpur. C. Thane. D. Nashik. The correct answer is C. Thane. Question 30. Which movement was led by Mahatma Phule for social reform in Maharashtra? A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Satyashodhak Samaj. C. Quit India movement. D. Home Rule movement. The correct answer is B. Satyashodhak Samaj. Question 31. Mumbai was earlier known as A. Bombay. B. Calcutta. C. Madras. D. Surat. The correct answer is A. Bombay. Question 32. Which sea lies to the west of Maharashtra? A. Arabian Sea. B. Bay of Bengal. C. Red Sea. D. Andaman Sea. The correct answer is A. Arabian Sea. Question 33. Which Indian state shares the longest border with Maharashtra? A. Gujarat. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Karnataka. D. Telangana. The correct answer is C. Karnataka. Question 34. Which Indian satellite system provides regional navigation services? A. GPS. B. GLONASS. C. Navy. D. Galileo. The correct answer is C. Navy. Question 35. Which disease is caused by a virus? A. Malaria. B. Tuberculosis. C. Dengue. D. Cholera. The correct answer is C. Dengue. Question 36. What is the chemical symbol of iron? A. Ir. B. Fe. C. Ndi. The correct answer is B. Fe. Question 37. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. Sardar Patel. The correct answer is B. B.R. Ambedkar. Question 38. Which body reviews the recommendations of the Finance Commission? A. Supreme Court. B. Parliament. C. Niti Aayog. D. Cabinet Secretariat. The correct answer is B. Parliament. Question 39. What does CPI measure? A. Industrial growth. B. Inflation at consumer level. C. Agricultural output. D. Fiscal deficit. The correct answer is B. Inflation at consumer level. Question 40. Which scheme focuses on rural employment generation? A. Manrega. B. Skill India. C. Digital India. D. Make in India. The correct answer is A. Manrega. Question 41. Which Indian river flows into the Arabian Sea? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Narmada. D. Brahmaputra. The correct answer is C. Narmada. Question 42. Which fort is known as the Gibraltar of the East? A. Sinhagar. B. Raigat. C. Daulatabad. D. Vijayadurg. The correct answer is D. Vijayadurg. Question 43. Which crop is mainly grown in the Konkan region? A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Jowar. D. Cotton. The correct answer is B. Rice. Question 44. Which committee recommended Panchayati Raj in India? A. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. B. Ashok Mehta Committee. C. Sarkaria Committee. D. Panchi Committee. The correct answer is A. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Question 45. Which organ of the Indian government is responsible for policy implementation? A. Legislature. B. Executive. C. Judiciary. D. Election Commission. The correct answer is B. Executive. Question 46. What is the tenure of a member of Lok Sabha? A. 4 years. B. 5 years. C. 6 years. D. Until age 65. The correct answer is B. 5 years. Question 47. Which movement resulted in the formation of linguistic states? A. Quit India movement. B. Civil disobedience movement. C. Sanyukt Maharashtra movement. D. Swadeshi movement. The correct answer is C. Sanyukt Maharashtra movement. Question 48. Which Indian city is known as the financial capital of India? A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Chennai. The correct answer is B. Mumbai. Question 49. Which Indian dam is built on the Godavari River? A. Hirakud. B. Bhakra Nangal. C. Jayakwadi. D. Tehri. The correct answer is C. Jayakwadi. Question 50. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with emergency provisions? A. Part 16. B. Part 17. C. Part 18. D. Part 19. The correct answer is C. Part 18. Question 51. Which day is observed as Maharashtra Day? A. 1st May. B. 26th January. C. 15th August. D. 2nd October. The correct answer is A. 1st May. Question 52. Which Indian mission was launched to clean the Ganga? A. Namami Gange. B. Swachh Bharat. C. Jal Jeevan Mission. D. Amrit. The correct answer is A. Namami Gange. Question 53. Which sector contributes the largest share to India's GDP? A. Agriculture. B. Industry. C. Services. D. Mining. The correct answer is C. Services. Question 54. Which Indian state has the largest coastline? A. Maharashtra. B. Gujarat. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is B. Gujarat. Question 55. Which Indian constitutional amendment lowered the voting age to 18 years? A. 42nd Amendment. B. 44th Amendment. C. 61st Amendment. D. 73rd Amendment. The correct answer is C. 61st Amendment.